Flood warning in effect until 10 a.m. this morning. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? Portions of central and northern New Jersey, including the following counties: in central New Jersey, Mercer and Monmouth. In northern New Jersey, Middlesex. When? Until 10 a.m. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 5:56 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. An additional inch of rain is possible. Some locations that may experience flooding include Trenton, Ewing, Princeton, Highttown, Cranberry, Pennington, Hopewell, Roosevelt, Mercerville, Hamilton Square, Lawrenceville, Edinburgh, and Plainsboro Center. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
A double header. Another double header.
Flood warning in effect until 9:15 a.m. this morning. What? Urban area and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is occurring.
Another river flood warning.
Where? Portions of southern Connecticut, including the following counties: Fairfield and New Haven, and southeast New York, including the following counties: Putnam and Westchester.
Just kidding. It's not
When?
a river
Until
flood.
9:15 a.m. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks,
not a river
streams,
flood.
and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Additional details: at 6:10 a.m., emergency management reported flooding in the warned area in the area of Danbury.
Oh.
Flooding is already occurring.
Wow.
Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Bridgeport, New Haven, Stamford, Waterbury, Norwalk, Danbury, White Plains, Milford, Shelton, Naugatuck, Southbury, New Canaan, Walcott, Mount Kisco, Mahopac, Lake Carmel, Sherman, Brewster, Newtown, and Fairfield. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flood watch remains in effect through this afternoon. What? Flooding caused by Where? Portions of Delaware, including the following areas: Delaware beaches, inland Sussex, Kent, and Newcastle. Portions of northeast Maryland, including the following areas: Caroline, Kent, Maryland, Queen Anne's, and Talbot.